welcome everyone, it's Gaurav here back again with another video, and today I am reviewing this product called OMG Profitz. And before telling you about this product, let me tell you what dropshipping is. So the concept of dropshipping is not new, it's actually quite an old concept. So what people do is they buy cheap products from vendors, like from Chinese vendors like AliExpress. They buy cheap products there from around $2 to $3 and sell them at around 3 or 4 times. So if you for instance, if you got a product for around $3 and you are selling it for around 12 or $15, and the rest of the money is your profit, your short profit. And this is a product that is similar to that concept. Sorry. So what the sales page says that launch a complete e-com affiliate business in 60 seconds. So you must be wondering that how you can launch a complete business in just a minute. So I am here to tell you about all this. So let's start this video. So what this product does is actually this is a automatic cloud-based software product that creates niche websites or e-com stores for you in just a single click. So if we go down, you can see that it says insanely fast profits, start making consistent cash, one click e-com store builder, create fully loaded stores so that you can excuse me, so you can import thousands of profitable products that they have researched on about what are the top selling products in the market right now, and you can just import them in just a single click. And you can earn sell commissions, I will tell you later in this video, and you will also get you will, and all this is, and the selling part is based on free traffic. So I will tell you about how you will be getting free traffic and how you can also generate your email list using this software. And it's a completely newbie friendly, and you don't need any domain or website hosting, and not needed anything. So if we go down, it's just a 3 simple step formula. Log into your cloud based web software after purchasing this. Pick a done for you niche, pick a niche in which you are interested in, and import thousands of product that you like, and just click one button and your store is ready. That's it. That's all you have to do with this. These are some of the results that they have generated using the same formula that they will be sharing in this product. And these are the vendors of this product, and they are in the IM industry for quite a long now. And these are some of the problem that why people fail in online world. The main short formula to success is buy low and sell high. Whether it's affiliate marketing or whether it digital product, every same concept is applicable on everywhere. And what if we could turn, as I told you earlier, $2 into $20, same as buy cheap and sell high. This is what the method is all about. And you can check the sales page in the first link below, first link in the video description. So let's go how this I will explain you how all these steps work. So as already told you, step 1 is to log in to your account, choose your niche that you like, click a button, and there are a lot more steps. It's just a simple lot more steps that you need to these are some of the features, approach precisely 24 features that you like about this product. That, as I told you earlier, it's a completely newbie friendly product. So it's only sorry, takes around a minute or so for you to generate your own ecom store. Or you can also, if you are not interested in building ecom store, you can also use this to generate niche affiliate stores to earn affiliate commissions. As I told you earlier, you don't need any domain or hosting. They have covered everything in their own cloud-based software. You can earn commission from econ. As I have already told you that you can create affiliate site. If you don't wanna create ecom stores, you can add 100 of products in one click and fully SEO optimized, rank high on Google, get free SEO traffic from the top. And what they have done is, because you don't need any domain and hosting, they have already used their domain and their hosting to fetch all their links in all the popular search engines. So as soon as you launches your product, within a day or so, all your newly generated links will get indexed in the search engines. You can automatically generate your email list, and everyone knows that the money is in the list. And you can connect your list building software like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, whatever you are using right now, with this cloud builder software. You can sell in any currency you want. They support multiple currencies like USD, GBP, euros, and AUS dollars. You can sell both physical and digital products, but I recommend you to sell digital products because the margin is quite high in digital products. You can sell using they support multiple payment gateway like to checkout, PayPal, cash, credit card. So if you are using credit card, the money will be transferred to your bank account, and if you are using PayPal, you can enter your PayPal email address, and the money will, as soon as someone pays for your product, money will be transferred in your PayPal account instantly. You can set your shipping rates for different variables for different products, and it automatically sets prices, and you can do it manually also if you like to do so. And you can select from thousands of thousands of hot selling products, to be precise. And it automatically add products and product details, review, and it automatically syncs it with from where you are getting it. So for instance, if you are getting products from AliExpress, it will automatically sync your product details if the vendor changes product details in future. You can also request your customer to buy from you. You can also allow your visitors so that they can request their loved ones or family members to buy from you, and you end up earning more money. And they are also sharing some traffic tricks, that how you can generate more traffic. You can also create coupons and discounts for individual products, or every product, or individual customers. Everything is in the members area. Once you log in there, you will see everything there, and you will also see a training video there. And automatically triggers and send emails instantly as soon as someone buys the product. Automatically sync product details, prices, stocks, social share traffic. And there are a lot. You can check this sales page given in the link below. And they have also have an Chrome extension included for your help, so that you can search product and import them. For instance, you go on AliExpress, you like this product, so you just need to click on your Chrome extension and click on import, and then that product will be imported to your store instantly. One click order fulfillment, save time and delivery. So there are a lot more options, features there. I won't be explaining you every feature. You can check that on the sales page here. And these are some of the vendor bonuses that the vendor will be giving to you. But before that, I have also combined some of my amazing bonuses for you that you can use with this product and generate a good amount of money. So let's see what are the bonuses that I am giving to you right now. So this is the bonus page. You can check this bonus page. First link in the description below. You will also check about the product, what the product is all about. I have also mentioned all the upsells and everything is there. So this is the first bonus that I will be providing you. Actually, this is a cheat sheet that how you can effectively design your sales page and effectively write copyright for your sales page so that you rank high on Google and you increase your conversion rate. And this usually cost around $50, but you will be getting it for absolutely free. And keep in mind that all the bonuses that I am providing you is only available to me, and you will not find it anywhere else. Moving on to next bonus. This is actually a hack bonus. That this is actually a profit calculator cheat sheet. Here it is. After after entering all your details, that how much money you have paid to the AliExpress, how much money you made, and taxes, it gives you how a ROIS, which means return on investment. So you can use this calculator to calculate your profits. The third is actually a paid course, which you will find you if you are gonna if you're gonna buy this course, it cost you around $400, but you will be getting it for absolutely free. Actually, it's a drop shipping e-commerce uh, course, that how you can start generating money from e-commerce, and everything is covered in this course, from Facebook ads to Instagram ads to creating your own Shopify stores. Everything is covered. You will also be getting this course for free. And the fourth is all the vendor bonuses that the vendor is providing. So these are my exclusive bonuses that I am providing to you. And the product will going to be launched on in 5 hours from now, and you can check everything in the description below. You can check my bonus page, you can check the sales page, everything is given below. And that's my review about OMG Profits. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome bonuses and reviews like this. Thank you.